What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm related. So if you're into that sort of thing, jump down and smash that subscribe button below. While you're down there, if you want to stay up to date on all the new content, well, go ahead and click that notification bell as well. Now, before we get to the unboxing, a little bit of backstory on what's going to be in the box here. While I was attending the USCCA 2021 Concealed Carry Home Defense Expo in Fort Worth a couple of weekends ago, run into a company called G-Sight, and they had a pretty interesting little product. I'm going to assume beforehand that's what's in this box. So let's get into it and take a look. Of course, we have packing material. Don't need that. More packing material. Don't need that. So yeah, getting into this, that is exactly what this is. It is the Expert Laser Marksman System. It says it right there on the instruction manual. Now, unlike most times when I throw the instructions out, I think I'm going to hang on to this. But here is the actual module itself for the Expert Laser Marksman System, the ELMS, the ELMS from G-Sight. This is the 9mm version. And so what you're going to do with this is they make these where they're in various calibers. Was able to experience the 12 gauge version of the ELMS at that Expo. But you're going to put this in your firearm as you would any cartridge. The thing is, with this in the barrel, with this in the chamber, it's going to make it completely safe. This has a little mechanism on the back. When the firing pin hits that mechanism, the laser will light up. It appears that it does use the hearing aid style batteries, which is cool. There's some other accessories in here in the box. Looks like maybe a different end cap and some more of the little rubber cushions that they use to kind of cushion the blow from the firing pin there as it hits the back of the little laser module. So pretty cool way it looks like to be able to train without any ammunition. Now, I said that the ELMS here, well, that's hard to say all in one chunk. The ELMS here is a system, and of course it's going to come with targets, and it's just a basic bullseye target. And if you'll see on the back, great representation. I'm glad they did this of the various targets that they have available. Fun targets. They've got targets for accuracy and just all kinds of other things. All kinds of neat targets there. And it also came with a, man, that's a heavy tripod too. It came with a G-Sight tripod. Wow, that's a heavy tripod. It says professional tripod on it. I would believe it. It is definitely heavy duty. This even has the G-Sight branding on the case there. Check that out. That's cool. What this is for is to set the tripod up, put your cell phone or your tablet on the tripod, then take your smartphone or your tablet and get the app set up in front of the target, and then whenever the firing pin hits this laser module inside the chamber there, obviously it's going to flash that laser. Your cell phone, your tablet, and that app is going to pick it up, register where your hit was on the target. Really cool setup. Obviously, I'm going to be playing with this thing moving forward. There's the unboxing, I suppose. Look for more on the G-Sight ELMS. That is Expert Laser Marksman System. Moving forward here on the channel. If you've got questions, though, about this, or if you've got questions about that USCCA Concealed Carry Home Defense Expo in general, be sure you drop those down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.